Hello students, good morning. How are you? Today I am going to show you one more proof from class 10 mathematics irrational number. So this proof is from exercise 1.4 question number 2. So let us solve the problem. Here is the problem. Show that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, assuming root 5 is irrational. In the previous section, we have learned how to show root 5 is irrational. You can see here that 3 is a rational number and 2 root 5 is irrational because rational into irrational is irrational. Ultimately, the whole thing is becoming irrational. Rational plus irrational is irrational. Let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. I am going to use the contradiction method where I am assuming that it is rational, and at the end of the sum it will be shown that it is actually not rational. That means it is irrational. So let us assume to the contrary, means against it, to the contrary, that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, then it is in the form 3 plus 2 root 5 equals to a by b, where a and b both are integers b not equals to 0 and both are co-prime. You know, co-prime means a and b do not have any common factor other than 1. Let me rearrange the whole thing. So it becomes 2 root over 5 is equals to a by b minus 3, which implies 2 root over 5 equals to b, and this is a minus 3b. Root over 5, these 2 will go to the denominator in the right hand side. So a minus 3b by 2b. This is equation number 1. Now we have earlier assumed that 3 plus 2 root 5 is in the form a by b, where a and b both are integers and b not equals to 0. Now if a and b both are integers and b not equals to 0, so we can say that this is rational, that is a minus 3b upon 2b is rational. Whereas it is given in the question that root 5 is irrational. So from equation 1, what we are getting, let me write the whole logic again. Since a and b are integers and b not equals to 0, so a minus 3b upon 2b is rational. but it is given in the question, but it is given that root 5 is irrational. So from equation 1, what we are getting? We are getting irrational equals to rational, and this is not possible. We all know that rational and irrational can never be equal. So here we are getting a contradiction, that rational and irrational are becoming equal. So this is wrong, this is not possible. From equation 1 we get that irrational equals to rational, which is not possible. Therefore, this contradiction has arisen because of our wrong assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Hence, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational root. So, this is known as the contradiction method. In the beginning, we have assumed that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational and applied all the properties of rational number, but later on, at the end of the calculation, it was proved that rational and irrational are becoming equal, which is wrong. That means what we have assumed, that assumption was wrong. Hence, we can say that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So, this type of sum will come in the question, board question, because it is important one. Any type of sum means this digit will be changed. Maybe 3 plus 2 root 5 can be 3 minus 2 root 5 or 6 minus root 2 or like that, anything. So the whole process will be same, only you have to change the digit. And remember one thing, whatever is the question of this type, take all the rational part to the right hand side and the irrational part to the left hand side. So you can show that rational is becoming equal to irrational, and that is not possible. So this is the way of doing this type of sum. Hope it is clear to you. I think it is easier than the previous one. Go through all the problems of this type, try to solve 2-3 more problems, then the process will become clear and the sum will also become clear. After that you can solve any problem of this type. So that's all for today. Hope you can do any sum of this type. Till then, bye. Meet in the next class.